Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So far, our dashboard can display live data, we styled it, and we even made it interactive using IDs and basic script. Today, we will build a toggle panel, a button that can show or hide detail section, and when we click on hours, minutes, seconds, the detail panel updates. And of course, it can auto-update like a proper UI. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a show details button next to my clear. If I go to my template node, I can find my clear button, which is here. It is wrapped in this div. So I'm going to make a copy of that and simply paste underneath of it. And I'm going to change the ID to something like toggle details button. And instead of the clear, I'll type show details. Now, if I click done, deploy, if I go back to my page one, I can see that show details button is added. At the moment, it doesn't do anything. This is just a control. We will use it to show or hide a section. Now, if I go back to my template, I can find my second, which is here. And underneath of that, I would like to add this. This will show us some details. So if I click done, deploy, go back to my page one, we can see some details being shown, but at the moment there is no value for them. So I'll go back to my template node. I'm going to add some CSS. I'll find my style, which is here. I'll scroll down to find the end of that, and I'll paste this. So this just adds some CSS to the HTML that we created. But the only thing worth mentioning is that by default, the display is hidden. So if I go back to my page one, I can see those details have been hidden, and the show details has a border around it. But at the moment, it doesn't do anything. Now I go back to my template node, I'll scroll down and I'll find the script I created earlier. And I'm going to replace the entire script with this one. If I click done, deploy, go back to my page one, I can click on the show details and it shows me the block I created earlier. At the moment, there is nothing selected and the time is not being shown. If I highlight any of these, it automatically shows which one is selected and it shows the current time. I can do that with any of these. As soon as I clear it, it clears it out and nothing is being shown anymore. Now only one micro improvement needed. If I go back to my template, I can scroll down and I can find my dot details. Now I can go back to my page one, click on show details. We can see it has now a background, it has a border. It feels more like a real section. So in this video, we built one of the most practical UI patterns you will actually use in real dashboards, a proper toggle panel. We now have a structured HTML, clean reusable CSS, IDs for precise targeting, a script that controls behavior, and a details section that expands and collapses properly. That means you now understand how to build a custom UI component inside Node-RED dashboard template from scratch. This was the final episode of the mini-series on template node. We started with raw HTML, we layered styling, we added interactions, and now you can build a structured, dynamic component without relying on the standard widgets. As a final bonus, I will share a complete analog clock template in description. Read it, break it, modify it, and learn from it. This is how you actually level up. So I'll go back to my template and paste this. Done, deploy, go to page one, and this is our analog clock. Thanks for watching this video.